Video today we're playing Pet Smacks and doing a giveaway. This is the good part. Wait. I must buy. I must not buy.
Miles, what about me?
Don't worry about that kid. He lives in my wardrobe.
Yeah. Oh my god, I just got a balloon corgi.
That's a fat, scary cat. Scary
What
cat.
the
Scary cat.
hell?
You say what now?
What the hell?
Why do you keep
He's
saying
like,
what,
I
Joe?
could see no one with the meat. No, look around, stay around. He say, what the? What the hell?
250 millers. 250
$9.
250 pillows.
Bro, I got $69 in my box. Don't know why I said that.
Dude, did you just swear?
No, I said I don't know why I said that.
Yeah,
I said I
but
got $69 in my box.
okay, good.
Ooh, bro, someone has 969 billion diamonds.
What you say? What now?
You say what now? You say what the hell?
Wait,
Why?
someone has 969 bill.
I just said that.
No, you didn't, because I just said it.
Someone's literally selling a helicopter cat for 2 mil.
Someone has 900. Oh, that's just mil.
No, billion. Wait, should I get the helicopter cat and give it away?
Okay, I'm
pretty sure I just took a guy's pet. But I don't. I mean, he'd probably be happy because I just gave him 200 mil.
Bro, no.
Oh, I want the lava spider. It looks so cool. But it's literally 13 billion.
Wow.
Who would buy that?
Mind blowing.
Mind blowing. It's someone's got Popcat.
Where? Show me.
It's queer. Who's that?
How much is the Popcat worth?
I think it's like 100 bill.
100 bill.
Wait, no, it's not 100 bill. It's like 1 bill.
Can't afford that. I need 200 mil, please, to buy
How much do you have?
Popcat. I need 200 mil.
I have 100 bill.
100 bill.
Mil, I mean.
Oh.
Miles, if I give you this 100 mil, you better pay me back with something good.
But didn't I give you that 100 mil?
No, I had 100 mil in my bank.
Oh, well I'm only taking free. So is it free? Is it free?
Yeah, it is.
Okay, thanks.
You gotta pay me back with something good, Miles.
I thought you said it was free.
No, yeah, it's free, but like, you still gotta do stuff for me. Like, give me something.
That makes it not free.
Fine, I won't get anything from the trade. I just want something, at least.
Okay, fine.
Yes. Okay, now there you go.
What?
I'll give
What?
You have 944 diamonds.
Okay.
In mil.
60
Right.
mil.
I need to check something.
So what does that do? Down in Ohio, swag like Ohio. Swag like Ohio. Swag like Ohio. Yes sir, yes sir, yes sir.
Wait, Miles. What day is it? It's
Wednesday.
Wow, so it's gone up.
Down in Ohio.
The
Swag
normal
like
value
Ohio.
of a Popcat is starting around at 3.1 bill.
Wait, where is it?
I don't know. I'm joining you now because I left because I need to check. So 3.1.
800 mil. I'm buying it. I'm buying it. I got a Popcat. My life achievements have.
Now give me 100 because you paid for it.
Sure.
Yes, I get my 100 back. No, I actually need to see the Popcat though. I want to see it.
I got a Popcat.
Wait, so I'm gonna trade you.
This is literally the best day of my life.
Master's like, I must have it.
Yes, I'm selling it for 50 billion.
Wait, so you just want it to? Can I see it first?
Dun 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 dun.
Cool. Can I have my 100 bill?
100 mil. Done.
How much do you have actually? I just want to see.
I have 444 mil. Trading 12 exclusive.
What? You have 1.2 bill.
No, I bought the Popcat, so now I don't.
It says you have 1.2.
Yeah, I know. It says I do, but I don't. Unless I got a Popcat.
Trading total resources and
My Popcat is the cutest. The Popcat is better than a huge. Unless it's a huge Popcat. The huge Popcat is literally the best pet in the game. I got Popcat. I got Popcat. I got a square Popcat. Oh, how much?
I really want to trade with that guy, but literally.
Okay, let's say 3B. 3B.
It's worth 3.1 bill.
Okay. Wait, how do you know that?
I searched it up.
Okay, 3 point. Oh, that's 2B. Oh, that's so close. I don't want to sell Popcat so close, but I really need that money.
You know, you can just sell it and then trade El Goblin and he'll trade you for another one. Literally, I traded him. First thing he put in was a Popcat.
Okay. him how much money? Oh, bro, he declined.
Who?
The dude who was gonna buy it. Okay, so how much? How much?
What? Is it worth?
No, like how much? What dude is the dude who's selling pop?
Oh, El Goblin.
El Goblin.
Oh my goodness, how many diamonds do you have?
El Goblin isn't here anymore.
Easy. I just sent him a trade request.
Oh, I can't find him. Oh, there, found him. Wait, that's the dude from Doors.
Oh, come on! I think they always give, someone's selling the hologram sharks for 800 mil.
Oh, I can't buy that. El Goblin. Yo, El Goblin's still in a trade.
Ain't nothing but a heartache. Ozzy. How many diamonds does this guy have?
How much is Pop Cat?
It's worth 3.1 bill in the latest.
How much? Wait, I'm just asking that dude.
Why did he say?
Name price. Name price.
Wait, Miles, can you help me get to hardcore mode? Please?
Wait, I just need I don't know how to help you.
Like, how did you do it in Hell World?
Just. Oh, yeah. Yeah. That's true. Okay. The moment of truth. Okay, I need that. Let's swap. Swap. Hey. Why not? I'm about to get... I don't know if this is scamming, but... Because it's just one extra thing.
Whoa.
Oh, he realized. Okay, what do I need to sell? I need to sell Happy Computer for 99999. And I need to sell Huge Hell Rock. Wait, where's my Huge Hell Rocks? Oh no, I lost them. Okay, how about all these boxes? For 1 mil. Yeah, that's me. That be me. Oh my god. Wait, you say what now? Okay, how about you? Yeah. For 15 bills. So sub to Ultimate for 15 mil. Really so happy.
Noob. Bro's newbie.
Yeah, I saw an army of noobs. Bro. Buying noob for 10 mil.
CMRs, I'm playing doors.
Why? Don't leave me to suffer for myself.
Come on, Mars. Come on. Ah.
Okay, fine. I just need to end this bit.
Yay. Dead.
What cat?
Whoop.
Oh,
Five
that
people.
cat. The festive cat. Oh no, elf cat. Oh,
Oh, okay.
who has pop cat? Who has pop cat? That's the last thing. So glory. Guess what? I would rather a pop cat than a peacock.
There's Timothy and Timothy Jr.
Yeah, did you not know that?
No, I knew about Timothy.
Oh my god. Okay. Bye. Hope you liked the giveaway that... I'm not even gonna call it a giveaway, never mind. I didn't give away free pets.
Just say playing Pets and X.
Pets and Max. Yeah. Okay. Ending.